directly responsible for the great business turnaround that you've seen in the last quarters. Oliver Athens, please.
Hello, Mahlzeit, guten Tag. Hello everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. As Anton said, we have a lot of good news, we have a lot of interesting news, and we can show you, let's say, a full portfolio of updates, including our business development, new marketing campaigns, Windows 8 strategies, Acer cloud strategies, and I think it will be quite an interesting session for you. Of course, as a president, I have the privilege to pick out the most easy ones and the best news to deliver to you, and please forgive me that I shamelessly took this privilege. So it's my pleasure to report to you the strong recovery and rebound of Acer in EMEA and global markets. If you look into the EMEA PC market, total PC, desk-based and mobile, you see that Acer, with ending of Q2, here status August, come back to the second largest vendor in EMEA with 15.6% market share, 23% growth, which is outgrowing the market with more than 20%. So we are back where we belong in the total PC market in EMEA. In mobile, which is traditionally our stronghold, the position is even more clear. We achieved 20% market share in Q2 with a growth of 22%, one of the strongest growths, outperforming the market again, and in the pole position as you see here. Looking into the worldwide market, we see a similar positive picture on mobile. Acer completed again and back on the pole position in end of Q2 as the world's largest provider of mobile PCs. There are a lot of very funny, let's say, and fuzzy messages swirling around these days, but let me clearly tell you the world's largest provider of mobile PCs in Q2 was Acer, with 15.4%, neck by neck with some other vendors, but anyhow also here with 6.45% growth, outperforming the sluggish global market. So you'll see we are back in the business, we're back in the game, and but we also want to go further. And from my personal perception, in the past, our marketing presence, our marketing approach was always a little bit old school. So we decided that we are going into a drastic change of this approach and to present Acer as what it is. Acer is a company empowering the user, empowering the customers. And to show this in an impressive way, we launched a campaign which motivates everybody to explore his hidden passions. The global campaign is launched in EMEA on the 20th August, so you can see it online right now. It's introducing a totally different approach to promote mobile PCs. It's creative, it's entertaining, it's relevant. It's matching the importance of mobile PCs for every household and every user. It's made in LA, where else? With top actors like Kiefer Sutherland, top agencies like Mother, which we hired beginning of this year, and award-winning director Ivan Zacharias, Sting Productions, etc., etc. And it will be launched massively in UK, France, Germany, and Russia, and it will be seen via digital investment in all other countries in EMEA. The campaign has two major goals. I think everybody knows that we're doing great notebooks, that we have great technology, and, by the way, honestly speaking, that we are also quite competitive. So the goals of this campaign is to increase the brand consideration and the brand premium. And it also should launch the new Acer brand tagline, Explore Beyond Limits. And by the way, also it's featuring our new hero product, the Aspire S5 Ultrabook. The media mix includes cinema, TV, press, out of home, and a lot of digital, a heavy focus on digital. Wilfried Thom, the country manager and general manager of Acer Germany, will show you later on an example of Germany, which media we are occupying and what kind of context we're generating. The concept is a little bit strange for somebody who knows Acer. It's built around the tagline of Explore Beyond Limits, and it's driving it into a direction where we watch a famous actor, Kiefer Sutherland, playing himself, how he explore his hidden passion. The hidden passion of Kiefer Sutherland is making and marketing most fluffy cupcakes, cookies, cakes, kuchen. And the Aspire S5 is helping to do so. This is a lot of nice talk. I would suggest that we now have a look on the commercial and you make your own impression.
Ultrabook, inspired by Intel.
Who's your supplier?
What?
Where do you get your flour?
I don't know, dude. At the grocery store, bro.
Where's the icing?
Icing?
Icing for cupcakes.
Oh, it's right over there.
It's crazy out there.
What do you think of these?
They're not very mean.
Really? What were you thinking? Couldn't we just search explosions on the internet?
No, Greg, the internet's not safe.
This is safer.
We made the light, powerful Aspire S5 Ultrabook, so we can all explore our hidden passions.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Greg, give me a cab.
For Mr. Kiefer Sutherland, that passion is a moist, fluffy cupcake.
Dynamite cupcakes. What do you think?
I don't know.
Greg, I wasn't asking your opinion.
Thank you. You see, it's a quite different approach compared to our, let's say, more traditional marketing. You will see further spots and also other actors with other products in the future, which also going to explore their hidden passions. So results after first week launching of this campaign is we have more than 1.7 million video views on YouTube with 97% positive comments. Over 8 million people have seen the advertisement online, 25 million people saw it on Facebook, and more than 40 million people saw it on TV. So I would say not bad for 1 week. So my main takeaways for you for the session from my side is, you see Acer delivered a strong business recovery in EMEA against soft markets, is back leading global and in EMEA as a mobile PC market. We introduced a new marketing concept, a fresh approach, drastically changed in creation format and message. We show you the best way to prepare perfect cupcakes, which you also can enjoy, by the way, at our booth. And we are going to introduce a complete new Win8 touch portfolio and a new Acer Cloud services on this trade show. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Oliver. And now let me introduce Antonella Fornara, Acer EMEA Vice President and the Head of Product Business Management, who will show you many products that we've created, which are ready for all new operating systems coming.
Welcome everyone, also from my side. In the next 10 minutes, I will go in to provide you a brief overview of what is our new lineup of products for what concern Windows 8 and Touch. In order to give you a better idea of the positioning, for each single product, I will use this grid, three-dimensional grid, where you can have a rough idea of the price positioning. You can have an idea of the form factor, which is defined by screen size, and you have an idea about the usage, which is defined by the content consumption or content creation. We will start with the tablets. One more thing, I have one slide for each product. And in one slide, you can have the key messages, the picture of the products, And on the frame of the slide, you have also the key features in a visual way. Time is short, any other question will be at the end of the presentation. Our vision about tablet is very simple. We think that under Microsoft environment, a user can have a possibility to have a product which is not a secondary or third device. So a product you could have multiple usage, not just a tablet, but you could have use as a productivity tool, a keyboard, a dockable keyboard, or you can use for entertainment in a presentation mode. So we define the Iconia W5 as a product which could be used in 3 different ways. It's a tablet but has different usage. It's a 10 inches, 10.1 inches display, 600 gram weight. We have the same concept also for the higher family of Windows tablet, the W7. Also for the W7, we even stress more this concept. W7 is a very powerful product. It's carrying Intel Core i CPUs, last generation. So it's very powerful. So instead of storage, also a display is a Full HD display, 11.6 inches. And we thought that also for this product, we had to equip with a tool which is a docking station and a stand. And this allows you to use the product as a unique device, not secondary device or third device. So could replace for some users also a notebook or a desktop. Let's move to the top of the range for the Ultrabooks. Today in the Ultrabooks, Acer is really playing a big role. We have products which are really top of the class with no compromise. Aspire S7 is a new line, has been announced a few weeks ago. And as I said, it's a top class product. It's one of the thinnest, or the thinnest in the market, is 12 millimeters size. It's just 1.3 kilo. And there is a very concentrate of technology. And even if it is a small, really small size, it's very, very resistant. We have some features like the Gorilla Glass on the cover, which make it very resistant, very elegant, and not only, it makes the usage under a touch environment, the user experience very good, because it's one of the few products when you touch on the Ultrabook, the display, you have no vibration. So it's very, 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 very solid. From a technology point of view, performance is a Full HD, is a top of the range CPUs, is a really no compromise product. This is the little brother of S7, which is 11.6 inches. It's a very, very slim and light. It's again 12 millimeter thick and around 1 kilo is the weight. It's an aluminium and is again a Full HD display. Here the portability is extreme, and from a technology point of view, there is no compromise, as we said. Now we go to the touch product with a more standard size. We start from the M series. M series is an Ultrabook we have announced a month ago. And when we announced the M series was the fastest Ultrabook, most performant, powerful Ultrabook in the market. Because it was the only Ultrabook able to carry a graphic card, discrete graphic card. So it's again a no compromise product. Now this product is equipped with a touch display as well. And it's a 10-point touch display, and makes a product which was is still an Ultrabook, is a 2-spindle, so with the optical device, and again has no compromise at all. We have the V5, which is not an Ultrabook for a matter of 1 or 2 millimeters. but it's very, very close in terms of size to the M series. Also, this product was available in the market with no touch. Now it's been equipped with a touch display. It's a 30% thinner and 10% lighter compared to a standard voltage comparable notebook. So again, we are talking about a product where we bring the touch experience under Windows 8, and we have no compromise at all in terms of performance, while keeping reasonable size and weight. Now we move to the last products, which are the all-in-one. All-in-one, you can see one on my right, is the Aspire U. They are new design, and we try to do the product carrying as much as possible the quality, the design, the usage as well. It's very, very, very thin, and it's coming two versions, 23 and 27 inches, full HD. And it's got also is a sort of concentrate of technology. You can have the product as a desktop, you can mount on the wall, and use as a TV as well. And in terms of technology, you have some nice feature like a gesture recognition. So you can have some function which can be done without touching the product, without touching the keyboard, just moving your hands. And you have the NFC technology, which allow you to bring a device like a telephone, a tablet, a smartphone next to the product, and the Aspire U will recognize the product and get in sync with it. The last one is again an all-in-one, is a 27 inches. This is probably from technology point of view the most advanced, is a 64 touch point display. We call it a multi-user all-in-one. You can put the product totally flat, horizontal, and it can be used by different users. Having a 64 touch, the software can recognize multi-user playing with it. And then for the remaining specs is similar to the previous family I showed before of all-in-ones. So in summary, this is the positioning of all the products I presented to you, with price, usage, and form factor. And last but not least, this gives an idea of the variety also of solution we have been taking in consideration. Of course, we think that users are all different, have different needs, and we cannot expect to dictate or to have one product which can satisfy everyone. So this is why we have a variety of products for a variety of users. What we took in consideration is the quality of the products. All of these products have no compromise in terms of ID and in terms of quality. As a takeaway for you, on the tablets, again we said we have two models. Under Windows, we like to have products which carry docking station, additional keyboard, and can have a usage that can become the main equipment of the user. On the Ultrabook, I said that we have a top-class products. We could talk for hours about the features. There really no compromise. Then we have the M and the V, where the product we already announced, and we have launched now with touch availability. Again, a top-class product, no compromise. And last, the all-in-ones, which, as I said before, they are pure beauty with concentrated technology. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Antonello. And all the wide range of Acer products ready for touch are available just 50 meters from here. So after press conference and quick lunch, please join us, and we will be glad to show you all the best technologies which are very, very close by at Acer booth. So thank you, and thank you for ladies for helping us to run a beautiful presentation. now Stu Yu, the president of Acer Smartphone Business Group. Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, in Barcelona earlier this year, we reviewed to you our intention to launch a product called the S500 Cloud Mobile. Today, after all these months, I'm pleased to tell you that we are shipping the S500 Cloud Mobile to our European markets as we speak. I want to start my presentation by talking to you about the design aspects of the S500, because our whole intention and goal of the S500 is not just to bring the smartphone capability to where it is today, but more importantly, to bring the personality back to the user. We use the design language way, what we call the Acer sleeve DNA, to design perfectly crafted, architecturally designed and manufactured contact surfaces that provide the maximum context and maximum comfort for the user. On top of that, the surface of our device is also meticulously finished to radiate the kind of emotional context that a lot of times has been lost in today's world of supersizing everything. Over the last few months, I've been showing this product here, the S500, to my friends and customers alike. And invariably, they will say, wow, why is this so light? Why is it so thin? And when you start playing with the video, and you go like, geez, this is a really cool display. And we're not even claiming all the superlatives in terms of weight, in terms of thinness, in terms of all these other things that you see in inspections. All in all, I think our engineers and designers in Acer has done a supreme job making the right decisions in sizes of display, on optimization of what features that are important to bring the smartphone back to be a personal device. And therefore, we're sticking to a device such as the S500 Cloud Mobile. We've done a lot of work in terms of making it differentiating. And if you look at the Cloud Mobile S500, it does look different from all the smartphones you see today. Most of them look like this. The S500 Cloud Mobile has a different stainless steel finishing at the speaker area. We use the material which is similar to the stainless steel that is used to sculpture the Cloud Dome in Chicago, or the Iconium, the bubble Iconium structure in Brussels. So a lot of attention and details is being given to the S500, so it is a fantastically designed and one of the most beautiful phones there is in the market today. I know that design is not skin deep and it shouldn't be. So over the last months, the Acer engineers and designers have taken a lot of effort in making sure that our Acer shell design language is improved and optimized beyond what it was last year or 2 years ago. All these improvements are so significant that I cannot tell you all within the 15 minutes here on the stage, so I urge you to go downstairs and play with it. But suffice to say, one of the best things I've seen we've done is the ability to go from a lock screen on our ICS OS from lock screen to unlock screen with one swipe. Not just unlocking the screen, but going into the feature that you want, or going into the SMS message you just received, or the email that you just received. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you must be wondering, or you probably could have guessed, because our next speaker is going to talk about Acer Cloud. Why is this device called the S500 Cloud Mobile? The main reason is because this is the first mobile phone, the first smartphone in the Acer portfolio that were introduced completely prepared and equipped with the Acer Cloud feature. So what is Acer Cloud feature? I'm not going to steal the thunder from John, who is going to go into details with you. But suffice to say, this little device here, S500, will allow you to stream all your music collection through this mobile Dolby 3.0 performance of audio. You can stream all your photographs, take picture, and instantaneously it will be synchronized to all your devices, I think up to 32 of them, tablet, PC, and so on and so forth. But last but not least, the most unique feature in the Acer Cloud is the ability to do your documents. 4 hours ago, I was sitting in my hotel room, a fantastic hotel called Leonardo, about 100 miles from here, and step out of the room, and then my presentation is already on my Cloud Mobile. And in the future, I will come to this conference equipped not with a briefcase, but with the S500. And I'll be able to wirelessly project this thing and have a great conversation with all of you. This is making, enjoying, and creating content extremely mobile and extremely suitable for people like us. I'll go on my next holiday, not equipped with another music machine or another camera, but just with my S500. The Cloud Mobile is the first vehicle that we're going to bring into the marketplace where you can totally enjoy what Acer Cloud can bring to you. Acer Cloud Mobile S500 comes with a 4.3-inch display. Yes, it's not 4.7, it's not 5.6, it's not 6, it's 4.3. With a very conscious decision we made to make this a very personal and yet a beautiful phone. At 4.3 high definition IPS technology, it allows viewing angles of up to 178 degrees, so you can share whatever you're reading or watching with your loved ones. But more importantly, with a high definition of 342 ppi, it still is the highest resolution display in the class. And yes, there are some devices which also have the 342 ppi. But in Acer, because of our experience and our knowledge in making sure color optimizations in things like monitor and projectors and so on and so forth, the same type of skill set and technology optimization has been put inside the S500. Further on the features, we have one of the best in-class camera experience in the marketplace, I dare say. It has a fast start of about 0.7 seconds, so cold start, in 0.7 seconds you could take a picture. Zero shutter lag, burst shot of 7.5 picture per second is probably the highest in the industry. Snapshot in video, HDR, all the filterings you can possibly conceive in a compact camera exists in the S500 Cloud Mobile. And guess what? It also has the highest panoramic resolution of 27 megapixels. Do a very quick comparison. The A9 Cloud Mobile, comparing with 3 other competitions, and I left out the names, but you can easily work out 3.5-inch, 4.7-inch, and 4.8-inch competitions. And here's what the super latest and the ones and the winners of what the S500 Cloud Mobile will bring. Smartphone is becoming like supercomputers, but disguised in a small package like this. And on top of that, however, smartphone is still a phone, so phone feature is extremely important. So we make a very, very conscious decisions that we shall make this product with fantastic voice experience. So in the S500, not only we have the high definitions AMR voice feature and the standard multi-microphone noise suppressions, we have our own homegrown technology called the VRHP. Quite a mouthful, but it stands for Very Robust Handset Positioning. So basically what it translates to is the speaker using this phone could do it with several different angles and distances from the microphone, and the guy from the receiving end will will not be able to tell the difference in terms of the audio level. This algorithm we're tremendously proud of and is a homegrown Acer feature. So, in summary, under this hood, under this S500, is a Snapdragon 8260A, the highest tier of the Snapdragon family, running at 1.5 gigahertz. And of course, it's dual carrier ready, because in Europe, as you know, as you transition from HSPA Plus to LTE dual carrier, will allow you to have up to 42 megabits per second of the speed. The S500 Cloud Mobile is completely ready for that, and we are in conversation with some of the big groups here in Europe and in Asia as well. The other specifications I already mentioned, but I want to emphasize that it's a full HD stereophonics recording for our camera features, and of course, Acer Cloud. The S500 Cloud Mobile is a flagship of SPVG in Asia and in Acer, but it's not the only product we will launch or have launched this year. Back in June, we launched a product called the Liquid Glow at 3.7 inch. It's probably the smallest and cutest little phone you can possibly find. We launched it in the only very selected marketplace. In the next 4 months, we will launch 2 other products. One of them is shown here called the Liquid Gallon, which is going to be a 4.3-inch QHD display, dual SIM card, at a much more affordable level than what the Cloud Mobile will be. So we are propositioning ourselves in that space as well. Towards the end of the year, we'll launch a true mass market device, which we'll announce in time to come. And that particular device will target emerging markets and here in Europe. So, Acer SPVG is here to stay. We're bold, we're committed, and we believe that smartphone is an essential component of the entire offering of digital experience that Acer has. And with the Acer Cloud, it will seamlessly connect all these things together in, I'll call it, a personal wide area network globally. We are bold, and we aim to be different, and I urge you to be bold and to be different, and buy an S500 and try it. I dare say, you're going to love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ST, and thank you for introduction of the next presentation. You know what it will be about, and let me introduce John Princeton, the General Manager of Acer Cloud Technology. Please.
Thank you, and thanks to ST for a great presentation and pre-announcing some of the things I'm going to talk about. But I think actually the importance of his presentation tells you about our role in Acer, which is very simple. We are there to create services and applications that complement these wonderful devices that you've seen. That's our role. And what motivates us is very simple. These days, most people own more than one device and they use them on a daily basis. So life can get very complicated. Our simple goal is to simplify your life, connect all your devices wirelessly and automatically. And for our first release, what we are doing is making it possible for you to see all your photos, hear all your music, access all your documents, anytime, anywhere, on any device. Cloud Mobile is one of those devices. And of course, how do you get Acer Cloud? You get it when you purchase an Acer device. And so, not just Cloud Mobile, the phone, but when you purchase an Acer consumer PC, you will get Acer Cloud. But we're not restricting our service to just Acer devices. You need to buy an Acer device, but our goal is to make it work seamlessly with all the other devices you own, so that you, work with all the other devices you own, since we know you're not necessarily going to have completely all Acer devices. And so what we're saying to our customers is, with Acer Cloud, you can be free. It's free, and you're free to use any device. So let me walk you through the features of Acer Cloud. So the first feature is you can edit your documents on a PC and access them from all your devices anywhere. So instead of carrying your laptop to a presentation, you can carry your phone. It also works if you want to edit a presentation at home. You can access it on a PC at work or vice versa. So Acer Cloud brings you effortless portability, so you can be free. With Acer Cloud, you can access multimedia on your PC from all your devices anywhere. So gone are the days where you have to connect cables to your PC, to your phone, or to your tablet to move your multimedia data around. It's all available wirelessly, and not just from inside your LAN, but from anywhere, on any device. So Acer Cloud brings you wireless connectivity so you can be free. And the last feature, which ST already mentioned, is with Acer Cloud, you can instantly push photos from all your devices, not only back into the cloud, but also onto your PC, which is where you usually manage them. So instead of going through the trouble of connecting your phone to your PC to get your photos, Acer Cloud brings you instant picture streaming. No trouble with cables anymore. Now, we've gone through a lot of trouble and I think we've done a good job of making all these experiences very seamless, easy to use with applications on these devices. Now, I can talk about it all day, but the best way to experience it is to go to the booth, and we have a hands-on lab there. You can go, it's not a lab, I mean, it's real products. You can touch, you can use them, and you'll see what Acer Cloud brings to you. And more than that, today we're announcing that our beta has come to Europe. Germany, France, UK, and Italy. Acer Cloud is in beta. If you own an Acer PC, consumer PC, you can go to our website, get more information. You can download Acer Cloud to your PC, to your Android phones, and you can experience it for yourself. And so if you don't own an Acer PC, I suggest you go and buy one. So that's all I've got to say. We are trying to get as many customers for our beta as we can in Europe ahead of our official launch, which is happening worldwide in October. So please join us down in the booth, and please go to the website and look at the information there and download Acer Cloud and try it for yourself. Thank you.